Hello and welcome back. Today is day 8 and I'm drawing a clay pot. Drawing is going to help us in understanding the clay texture. For this, I am drawing it on a textured paper and I'm not going to use any blending tool. It will be just pencil and paper. So let's get started. So I've just created the outline of the clay pot and I'll be shading it using 2B, 4B and 8B pencils. And today I'm using a new set of pencils. So this pencil I have got as part of the drawing kit and it has lot of other items also. In case if you want to know more about this drawing kit, do let me know in the comment box and I'll create a full-fledged video on about this drawing kit. I'm shading the clay pot by applying the hatching technique, and definitely you can rotate your paper in case if you think that the pencil strokes are not coming proper or your hand is not feeling comfortable. You can definitely rotate the paper. As you can see at the corner of this clay pot, it is little highlight. So I'm keeping that area blank and not shading it. I have used 4B pencil to darken the area. As you can see at the top, it is darkened on the right hand side and very little light on the left hand side. So I have used the 4B pencil for the darker shade. The bottom part of the pot, I'm using 2B pencil to provide a lighter shade, and then by using hatching technique, cross hatching technique, I'll be giving it a darker shade. To provide the clay type structure that it looks like that it is having some grooves and depth in it, I am just shading it slightly by giving a higher darker value at the top and lighter value at the as I proceed down. So this is how it looks